Hi, welcome to this unboxing of the new GoPro Hero 7 Black. It's a real game changer. These are the accessories that come with it, not many. 4K 60p. This is the main function. 12 megapixel camera, 4K 60, 33 feet, water resistant, voice command, touchscreen, 8x slow-mo, GPS, HDR. Of course, the new one is the hyper smooth and the live streaming. Basically, the boxing is the same, nothing changed. Price around 2,000 ringgit. Original from Fun Sports. Now I think the new box just follow this body. Very easy. What a beauty. Okay. Let's see the accessories. Then the booklet. Basically, we don't read it. Cable. Is the mount, basically two mounts, battery. That's about it. And comes another extra mount here. Just take it from here, easier. Okay. Hero 7 Black. This is the distinction here. Okay. 3. Okay. Don't know whether to charge or not. Guess I have to take out this protector. Okay, let's on it. Where's the side? Yep. Basically, I think it's the first time start up, maybe longer to set up. Okay, GPS, don't need GPS. Install GoPro app. Okay. Skip. Date. Today is and time. Okay, basically I think the setup almost the same. Still will have a detail testing on this Hero Black. The surface I feel is nicer than the Hero Black 5. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching.